We start with daily chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And as we can see, based on daily chart, we are within this correction for long term. And mostly we're looking for the reversal. And because we mentioned if you get any opportunity for buy, we'll take it as a long term. We want to see the breakout of the 36. And with the breakout of the 36, at least we can look for 44 following by 52 cents. All right. And as we can see, we mentioned we're looking to see the reversal with the breakout of this zone. Okay. That's mean we prefer to see the reversal with the breakout of the 11 cent, because in that case, the price can drop below 10 cent, even 8. All right. By the way, we want to see, even if you refer to the indicators based on daily chart, we have a divergence. And if you get any opportunity for buy, we will take it. And as a long term, again, with the breakout of the 36, we are looking for at least 44 following by 52 cent. And but if you get any opportunity for buy as a reversal, the breakout of this zone, this lines we're looking as a resistance, which is 24 following by 27. This is, we have to see the breakout of this zone. Actually, this is not the take profits. All right, this is not the targets. The only thing is we want to see whether the price can break this zone or not. Now, whether we can look for this one as a correction based on daily in relative to this. If we refer to my last analysis, we mentioned if we want to consider this one, we prefer to see the reversal with the breakout of the 14 cent. As we can see, the price almost take 14. Even there was a breakout, then there was no continuation, the price reverse. All right. How are we going to look at this one? At the first, we have been looking at this one. We were expected to see one more drop. This is what we get. All right. But the way is reversing is very corrective. Still, we are within this downtrend. That we can expect the price to consolidate here for longer time. That's mean if you get any opportunity for buy, for me, I will take it, but I will consider as a short term, because if we want to look for the reversal, we have to see the reversal as a sharp move following by deep correction for continuation, because and at this point we don't have any opportunity like that. And but as we can see, we have a divergence, but based on daily chart, I don't see any trade setup yet. And in this case, we move to forward chart. All right. And even if you want to consider this one as a flat, simply we can, if the price couldn't reverse from here with the breakout of the previous low, we can look, this one is not valid anymore, because this one will change to expanding flat. That's mean looking at the chart at this point, similar to what I draw here, is not a really good idea. The only thing is this line is indicative. All right. That's why I mentioned we want to see the reversal with the breakout of the 14 cent. All right. But at this point, again, I don't see any trade setup. Even we can expect the price continue this one turn to internal flat for the next drop. All right. By the way, we are not really interested to look for sell. And at this point, as long as the price is above 14 cent, if we get any opportunity for buy, we will take it. And as a short term, based on forward chart, we can look for 19 following by 21 cent as a short term targets. Now, the question is whether we should take the trade or not for buy. We don't have trade setup. And again, it depends on the strategy the traders they use, but having entry above this can be an option at this point, unless we see the changes. And if I move to lower time frame, if we move to 1 hour chart, if anyone wants to put the entry above here in case the price continues as a sharp move, can be an option. But for me, I prefer to put my entry above here, not here. All right. By the way, simply we shouldn't take the trade because we can expect the price continue and drop as a corrective move. And to make it very simple, we don't have any trade setup. We're looking for buy. And as a long term, we have to see the breakout of the 36. And then we can look for 44 following by 52 cents. All right. Now, the way is moving is very corrective. And as I mentioned, we don't get a really good trade setup and we have to wait. Simply, we cannot take the trade. This means we cannot take the trade or buy by considering the price is very low. Because as I mentioned, if the price couldn't reverse, as without the breakout of the this zone, that's mean if the price could break the 11 cent, even we can expect the price drop to 8 cent. That's why for me, my suggestion is if anyone wants to look for buy, they have to look for the trade setup. Even if they want to look for the investment, they should buy at the right time when the market is going to reverse. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.